Well, it's Saturday morning. They're calling for a little over 30 inches, but so far I guess we've gotten about 1.5 feet maybe. But just finished plowing this, so they're doing a good job on the roads. But so here's our driveway. There's our house. Driveway's clear. In case you need to get out. Very lucky Sim's got a snowblower. Don't think we're gonna go in the front door. So threw this out, and Courtney was building a snow castle back here last time I checked. There's Becky. Hi. There's Courtney. There's our cars buried in.
I'm not getting it in there, babe. You did great.